this no flour banana bread, you will need 2 bananas. I'm gonna be using 2. The rest I need to put in the freezer, which is why I brought them here. You will also need 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of almonds, but I brought this. It's gonna have pecan, cashew nut, Brazil nuts, walnuts, and hazelnut. And then I'm gonna be using about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You will need a little bit of oil and a microwavable Tupperware. Let's get started. First things first, get your nuts. And this is a grinder, so it will make it into fine powder. And then take your baking powder, okay, so that should be about a teaspoon, and grind it. Let's see how it goes. I'm not sure if this is supposed to happen, but it's kind of moist. I don't know why. Hopefully it's okay. And now that that's done, you take this into my mixing bowl. Okay, so I put it all in this bowl, adding the eggs. There we go. And now for the bananas. And here's the result. So I don't see any clumps. I don't think there will be any clumps actually. I blended it for quite a bit. And now that that's done, you get your microwavable Tupperware. This one, though it looks like stainless steel, it said that it was able to withstand the microwave. I think it'll be okay. Add a little bit of olive oil. I think that much should do. And it says to add the batter in for about 3/4. So let's hope it works. I think that line is about 3/4, maybe a little more. What do you think? Is that 3/4? It said to close the lid, but then it made that wheezing noise, and this is what happened. Don't close the lid, everyone, just leave it open. To go. It's not bad, but I can taste the egg a lot. I actually have another tin, well, not tin, but another Tupperware that's microwavable, and this one is round, so I'm gonna see what happens if I don't put the lid on from the get-go and see if there's a difference. So this one, I don't have that much batter left, so this will have to do. Okay, so this is the second batter that I made. It doesn't have the lid on because I didn't do it with a lid. I put a plastic wrap, plastic wrap around it and then poked a few holes, and that turned out better than the lid did. So unveil it and you can see, yay, it looks pretty much the same as the first one. So, well, I didn't burn the cake after all because it looks pretty much the same. Let's see if it's done. That's nice and clean, so I'm guessing it is done. Let's try another place. Yep, nice and clean, so that's definitely done. Okay, where's my knife? Yay! Yay! So half of it didn't come off, it just, a few of it got stuck, that's all. And I can look at that. That doesn't look too bad. If you're making this at home, make sure you don't use the lid, but get a bit of plastic wrap, wrap it over the container, and then poke a few holes. This one tastes better than the first one. Hopefully you found this enjoyable. I will be asking my parents what they think about this. Stay tuned. Yeah, so my parents enjoyed the banana bread. They said it tasted like banana pound cake. So maybe I could call it cake. It's a very healthy alternative to other baked goods you can get because this doesn't use any flour. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.